So I graduated in December of 2011, fall semester. I emphasized in criminology, and the transition from school to work was not very difficult because I worked here already during the school year. It was just a matter of, I guess, more better time management, seeing as how my hours increased after I graduated. Well, actually, I started off as the social recreation director, and that started the year of 2009, the spring, and I started around May time, and I did social rec for a little while, and then I'd say a year in I did the education center, and then I moved to the gym as the physical education director, and then I was promoted to supervisor last summer, so the summer of 2012. A lot of these kids are go through similar situations that we learned, in our criminology class and juvenile delinquency and different classes such as those that help me get a better understanding to where I can help the children from the things that I've learned from the classes that I've taken. I can relate to them a little bit better, things like that.